We have found an old coin note on the road. हमें पुराना सिक्का मिला है रोड पे. Present perfect tense.
Yeah. Yeah. And second is मैंने अपना होमवर्क किया है. I has done my homework.
I के बाद has नहीं होता. I have done my homework. I have.
Okay.
Now we will jump on the next one. Past perfect. आप ग्रुप के वो पेज पे आओ. आप both of you please come on the page on the group. Past perfect.
Yeah.
आप लोगों ने किया है past perfect?
Yes, ma'am.
तो past perfect में क्या होता है थोड़ा हम बता देते हैं यहाँ. Now we have to see in present form we have known that we have to use have or has first form, and second verb will be in third form. These two things we have seen. Verb will be in third form and we have to use in have or has after the subject. It is the present perfect. So now today we shall be knowing past perfect. Past perfect. Past perfect. So what is past perfect? Has or have का past क्या होता है? What is the have? What is the past and past form and of has or have? That is had. In the past form, we have to write only had because this have the yes had is the past form of have or has. Both have or has you will have to see past form had, and in the past form the verb will be in third form also, and after that your past perfect will be done. Okay, so what did you see in the next one? Shammi naha chuka tha. So what will be our answer? Chuka tha. Shammi
have taken
had taken a bath. Shammi had taken a bath. In the past form, you have to use only and only you have to use that had, and after that everything is same as it is present perfect. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So please Shikha, you write down in the call messages. हम एक फैसला ले चुके थे.
Okay, ma'am.
In the call message, you write so that I can see your answer.
Yeah, ma'am.
We had taken a decision. Yes, it's correct. We had taken a decision. Next, Karan, you just tell me the next one.
ओके, तुम्हें मुझे सम तुम मुझे समझा चुके थे। या मैम। या मैम। या मैम।
You had made me understand. Yeah, correct. Correct, dear. Correct. Very good. You have made me understand. तुम मुझे समझा चुके थे. So next, Shikha, you tell me your right answer. You answer right.
या मैम। या मैम।
Next, what is the Hindi? Please let me know.
या मैम, तुम मुझे समझा चुके हो।
कहाँ है तुम मुझे समझा चुके हो?
मैम सॉरी 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 मैम, सॉरी मैम, इसका ये है, आप सॉरी सॉरी मैम, आप पूरी कहानी बता चुके थे। मैम सॉरी यार, क्या लिखा हूँ? हाँ, आप पूरी कहानी, अरे मैम, आई थिंक आई रोट नॉट, मैम इट इज नॉट करेक्ट। मैम, you had told the whole story and there is not no.
आपने पूरी कहानी नहीं बताई है. आयश, आई थिंक दिस इज द आंसर. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन.
या मैम।
आपने
या मैम, आई थिंक या।
आप पूरी कहानी बता नहीं चुके थे, या आपने पूरी कहानी नहीं बता चुके थे. दैट वन इज दैट.
मैम, आप पूरी कहानी नहीं बता चुके थे। नहीं बता चुके
And
थे।
you wrote you had not told the whole story. Yeah, it's correct. Thank you. Karan, please write down this answer.
Yeah, मैम, I'm right.
You
give only 1 minute to me.
Next, Karan, you do it. वो अच्छा काम कर चुका था.
या वो अच्छा काम कर चुका था।
He had done a good job. Yes, Karan. Correct. Your answer is correct. Yes. Very good. Next, Shikha, tell me. क्या? What is the next one? प्रिया को तोहफा मिल चुका था. प्रिया को तोहफा मिल चुका था. Priya had got a gift. Very good. That means you understood what is past perfect tense. Okay. Now, all of you, both of you, please write down the present perfect. What are the words are written? What are the sentences are remaining to do? That one you write and please give it to me in call messages. And your present perfect and past perfect is going to be an and today because you have understood all of the things. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.